Oh, that was close.
That was very close.
Okay, so this one is
Hang on a minute.
Ice Lolly episode.
Help.
Nice, thank you, Mandy. Yeah, that much better. These are very expensive. These were like £3 from Tesco's. £3 is like
£3?
a trillion. It's like $1 trillion Canadian dollars.
I know, it was so expensive,
yeah.
But we thought we'd give them a go, and they look lovely.
So, Human already had experience of these. What think, Human?
Yeah, what think?
Do you remember when we opened these up to try them the other day, and it says on the back here that it's Strawberry Steve and Raspberry Rachel or something like that?
Yeah, Rachel Raspberry.
Rachel Raspberry and Steve Strawberry, right?
Look, if you look at it, look.
So I thought, oh right, well that'd be interesting, and there's a strawberry and a raspberry flavour, so we got them out.
I want a strawberry one.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
Yeah.
But all the
packaging,
packaging is the same, and they look the same.
What one's strawberry?
We looked and we couldn't find the. Excuse me, you're getting in my way. We couldn't find the flavour.
Why
so no way of telling.
Sorry, I don't like raspberry.
Yeah, and I don't like strawberry.
So
it's a bit. Why's your mouth moving again?
Because I want a strawberry.
No.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing, Andy?
I don't know. So,
I'm gonna randomly choose that one,
and I'm gonna take this one. So they look nice, and I love that someone is trying to do.
Oh, it's so
someone
cold.
appears to be trying to do a healthier version.
So cold.
Weirdo.
That's so nice.
So I don't think there's any. I think it's all natural flavours. I don't think there's added sugar and stuff like that. So I mean, thumbs up for that. But let's give them a whirl. Yeah.
Andy, help me.
Give them a go.
Help me, Andy. Come on, Andy, we can do it. No, who, man? Andy and I were trying to do that.
It's done now. Shut up and eat it.
Pull it.
No.
Pull. I've got it. I got it. Look, Andy, look, I got it.
Yeah, okay. Alright, don't. I don't have to draw my eyes again.
So what flavour do you think this is?
No idea.
Here, Homan, you try it first. You try it. What flavour is it? Do you not even know?
I think that's raspberry.
Oh no!
But the colours of the lollies are identical.
My Homan doesn't like raspberry.
Yeah, you try it now, Mandy's Homan.
Raspberry.
It's raspberry, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, so this one's raspberry, but there's no way to tell which one that Lisa likes.
That's you.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh. Oh.
No, Mandy, stop. They just,
No.
oh no, even the noises, stop. Stop, you'll get us age restricted.
I'm only licking a lolly.
Yeah, euphemism much.
That's so funny.
So yeah, I mean, I don't know. £3, yeah.
£3, yeah.
£3 for this. I love the fact that it's 100% fruit, no added sugar. The packaging looks nice, but surely it should say on here strawberry.
Listen, guys, you know what you should do? Go get some fruit, like frozen fruit, and then put it in a blender.
Yeah.
And then put it in a lolly stick thing.
Yeah.
And then put it in the freezer, and it's exactly the same.
Yeah, and it doesn't cost you $6 trillion Canadian dollars.
Exactly, so do that. So,
yeah.
And then you can actually know what bloody flavour it is too.
Sorry, nice by nature, but maybe your packaging should say, no idea what's in the box by nature, costs $6 trillion Canadian dollars.
Can I have a little bit more lolly?
Yeah.
Oh. No.
No, stop.
Why? It's lovely. Oh!
What's that?
There's juices.